Hi, in this video I'll show how to convert XLS old Excel file into YAML format. You can see I have an XLS file on my computer. I can open it into Excel viewer. Excel viewer is a free app. It's showing what is inside of XLS file. It's free app from Microsoft. It's not Excel and it's not required to have Excel. Let me open it again. It's rather slow. Yep. And you can see on in this XLS file, I have one spreadsheet with state data, and consists of state name, state code, region, subregion, and all states. I think not all, but Alabama is missing. But all states from Alaska to Wyoming is here, containing state code, region, subregion. And I will be converting all this data into YAML format with application I will download from this website. I will leave a link on site into description. To find app, I click on search and type XLS to YAML. And I need this create YAML page, and I will click on XLS to YAML and click on download. It's also important to close this XLS file if you have it open into Excel or into Excel viewer or into any other app. It's important to close it because some applications like Excel itself can lock file exclusively for reading and writing, and no other apps can access this file if you have it open like in Excel. So application converter will not work. It will give you error saying that this file is already open and you cannot use it. Please close file first before converting it. So it's important that you saw I closed file. It's important to close this file. So archive has been loaded. I click on the loaded archive, double click on MSI, signed archive to start installation, and click on more info here. I'm getting the screen with from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. You can see XLS to YAML. I can close this and this. And my file is into documents called states XLS, and I can double click to open a converter. Now, conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1, we will select our XLS file. I will click on this button, navigate to my documents, and I need states XLS. Yeah, this one. Click on open. I can add more files if I want to convert them all to YAML. Then I will click on next step. If my table in XLS, in Excel file, contains header, I will keep it open. Normally, like all tables contains headers, right, with column names. And this header will be used as column names for YAML. Click on next step. And on final step, I can preview my YAML structure. You can see it has all data in it. From Alaska to Wyoming converted. Yeah, as I mentioned, Alabama is missing. I don't know. It's like my Excel file is not correct, but still, we have all data converted. We have 4 columns, 49 rows, and I can save result now. It's asking me for name location of the file. This name location is okay. I click save, and file has been saved. Let's go and see file. I have a YAML viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside of YAML in more like table-like format. So it's YAML file display, and you can see it has state name, state code, region, subregion, and with some additional information. Also, I can open it into Notepad just to show you how it looks like. It's rather difficult to maintain text structure. YAML was created to be easier to maintain, but it's difficult. All this text, prepositions, matters, and everything. And for me, it's easier to write Excel and just convert it into YAML and have YAML file with all data in it. So basically that's it. We have all our information here from Alaska to Wyoming. And yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, it even has a state schema converted as well. Yep. So basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more converters like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.